can you please tell me about your monthly budget?
We want to scale up, so we want to be spending somewhere in the $10,000 to $15,000 range in Google Ads. Looking to be somewhere between $2,000 and $3,000 a month to start. But I think, again, you can tell me if I'm wrong. A good budget, I think, to start would be anywhere from 1,000 to 3,000.
Okay, so let me research shortly about your targeted location. I see it's already Texas. Then I can update you. Also, in this time, you can reach in your office. So it's more good.
Gotcha.
Okay, bro. And also, one thing, it's your night, right?
What was it?
Can I take one selfie with you? Because honestly, you look like a cricket player in my country.
Yeah, I'm that. Let me think.
I wanna pick a video with you because you look like a cricketer in my country, you know?
Yeah.
Are you okay with this?
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh, you look so handsome, honestly. Okay, bye. Have a good day.
All right, thank you, and I'll send you them numbers over when I get to the office.
Yeah, sure. You are also welcome.
All right, thank you, buddy. Have a good one.
Yeah, bye.